Okay. The key concept of encapsulation, data hiding, is the main features of encapsulation. Encapsulation allows certain details of an object to be hid from the outside worlds. So we have to hide the credential information from the other people. Only the necessary aspects of an object are exposed through a well-defined interface. This is typically achieved using access modifiers. So access modifier like private, protected, public. So private, what's the main use of private? So the data and the methods are not accessible from outside of the class. So if the scope of variables is private, so we cannot access that variables, that kind of private data outside of the class. If a data is variable is protected, so data and methods are accessible within a class and by derived class. Like if a variable is protected, so that variable we can access within a class or in a same package, or we can access in another package, but that class should have the derived class of that particular class. And a public access modifier. The data and methods are accessible from outside the class. Means public data we can access within a package, outside of the package. Okay. So the main features of encapsulation, we can access methods, and benefits of encapsulation: improve the maintainability. By keeping the data and methods that manipulate the data together, the code is easier to maintain and understand. Like that code, we can perform the structure, so we can understand the code, how it's work, how the flow. And second is enhance the security. Means if uh, we have the private data, like I give one example. ATM. We have ATM and bank. So in bank we have our balance. Balance is a private. We cannot allow to others to see my balance. So it's a best example of encapsulation. Flexibility and scalability. Okay, so now we can do the practical exam of encapsulation. Create the one class. First, I give you basic example like demo one, which contain the main method. Okay. And another, we can create another class which is demo. Okay, we have two classes, demo one and demo two. So demo one class contain our public static while main method, which is the entry point of our Java applications, Java program. So our Java program start run from here, main. So like we have private int a. A value is 100, and we want to access this int a in a demo one. So how we use that? So we have to use here setter and getter. So to access the private data, we have to declare the public method. Public we can family, or we can say like this, clear customers, getter and setter. So in encapsulation, we have the getter and setter. So getter is used to get the value and setter is used to set the value. To access the value, we have to create the object of demo1 b equals to new demo1. We can get the we have to create the object of demo2. So that time we can access the demo2 methods. We can get. So now here, if we get the value of val variable, so we have to store it in a particular variable. So type of variable we can start. Now we can print the value. So here we get the value 100. But it's a private data. If we want to change something, so we want to set the value to var. So now we can set here like git dot set value. We can pass with any value. And after that, we can get git dot get value. And we didn't want to create the another object. We just want to store that updated value in A. So we can give it A. It's better for understanding. I write here. Before set value. Okay. And here I write the set value. A. So now we can see here before set value is 100 and after setting the value is 500. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
May I
yes,
audible
ma'am.
to all?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the basic example of encapsulation. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I give you another example, a real-time example to you. So still here, you understand? Just 1 minute, guys. You just go through these notes, just 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. Still here, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Everyone's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I will give you one another real-time example. Like ATM. Okay. So ATM is connected to bank. So in bank, we have account. Okay. So in bank, we have account. In account, we have our balance. So obviously, balance is private. We are not allowing to others to see my balance. Okay. Like I have 5,000. Now I implement the greater setter. I want to construct a new. Okay. In constructor, I can write please wait balance retrieving. Get balance. So get balance like here our account is created. You can write like for understanding your account is created. And we can perform the it's like we have balance balance it's less than if here so like customer enter the balance like not sufficient balance like customer have the 5,000 rupees in bank and he want to withdraw the 10,000 so that time it's give the error so insufficient balance. Oh, sorry, my mic is unmuted. So here it's check the balance is sufficient or not. And if the balance is greater than our withdraw amount, suppose customer tried enter the 3,000 rupees and we have the 5,000 rupees in account. So that time it's update that balance. So original balance equals to balance minus amount to withdraw. Yes. Invalid balance. So here we no need to set it manually. So now we have to create the object of bank. First one, bank. Yeah. One minute, guys, I will check. Oh, it's a private. That's why it's giving error. Okay. So now we can get the our balance. And whatever we get the result, we have to store in particular object. Right? I will explain it just 1 minute. So here we can show our current balance. Current balance is Yes. By professional, we can wear current balance. Okay. First, we can. Okay, we can see here first, please wait balance is retrieved. When we create the object of bank, so it go in the constructor. So that time it perform execute the constructor. Please wait balance is retrieved. So it's check the balance. So after that your account is being created. When we call the get balance method, so that time we give the your current account is being created. So here customer account being created, and after that we print the balance. So whatever actual balance is present in the bank account, so that balance print here. So we can change, also we can change the balance. So we have to execute this method, set balance. So when customer try to withdraw the amount, so that time actual balance, whatever the actual balance and whatever the withdraw amount, so withdraw amount is um, minus from the actual balance, and so that time we set the balance whatever the remain. So we can call here setter method, like current balance dot again. We can pass withdraw amount to, this is the withdraw amount, and we pass the withdraw amount here. So we can pass here. That we can store our current balance. Yeah. Is equals to bank of get balance. So here we can see still here is the our original balance, whatever's in our bank account, and after that we pass the and after that we pass the 2000 rupees, and we have the original price. Original amount is 5000. So withdraw, after withdraw, it's due already. So it's not working. Okay. What's the problem? Please check once. Just one minute. Now more than balance. Yeah. So now we can see in 5000, 2000 minus, so remaining is the 3000. I will just clear you once the flow. So our ATM class is the main class. So there is the we have the bank. So in bank we have a account. So in account we have a balance. Balance is a private. So here we initialize that balance and get. So whatever the original amount is stored in our bank account, so we can get here. And after that, so main functionality or main function is performed here. So original balance is stored in balance, and whatever the customer want to withdraw amount, so withdraw amount is stored in here. So we pass the original amount in constructor. So, so here customer want to withdraw the 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees is less than original balance. So this message is will be print. So balance available balance the amount withdraw amount is minus from the original balance. So whatever the remaining balance is stored in the balance. So we can get that balance here. So everyone is clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
there
ma'am.
was one question was there.
Yeah.
As I have, is there any types of encapsulation or anything like that?
Is a encapsulation, so we cannot directly access the balance like a private field. So we have to
No,
access
no, not
that.
this one.
Mm-hmm.
Not that question. My question is there any types of encapsulation like inheritance? Like in
No,
inheritance, there are different types like single, multi-level.
no. In encapsulation, there is no type actually. Encapsulation is the whole
No,
concept.
because earlier when Alok sir once conducted a session on encapsulation,
Mm-hmm.
then I have practiced one problem, and then I have show in the morning stand-up call I have showed it that there I have done the encapsulation. Then one ma'am, I think Gayatri ma'am, I don't
Mm-hmm.
remember her name. She
Yeah.
asked me that which type of encapsulation you have conducted, what are the types of encapsulation. So that's why I am asking you.
Okay. Which program you've done? So can you just tell me
One
what?
employee management system. Basically, my laptop is not there is no charger, is not working, so I can't show you right now.
Okay.
I have if I've created an employee management system
Mm-hmm.
and simple like with private classes, and I have also used the getter and setter and everything. The program is running and
Mm-hmm.
it is good. smoothly. But she has asked me that what are the types of encapsulation. So that's why I am asking.
Okay. So there is a concept we can also use the singleton pattern encapsulation. So there is we can restrict the only one instance and the other fields are static, global to access.
Okay, that was my only one doubt. Okay, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
And today onward sessions you can carry your laptop. So if you have any doubts, so you can present here. Okay.
No, I have some issue with my laptop. That's why I can't
Yeah.
show it.
Okay, no problem. So yeah, anyone, any others, if you have any doubts, you can let me know. Everyone is clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So today's
Yes,
we
ma'am.
done here. I will share these notes in a group so you can go through it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a great day.